How to change font size in Discord. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can change font size on Discord. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up Discord and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you get to this kind of interface, navigate to the bottom left corner. From this section, click on settings icon, the user settings. So once you land on your settings, again navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side. Scroll down a bit and then head towards appearance and then click on it. So once you land on this interface, this is your current font size. To change your font size, you have to scroll down and there is a section that says scaling with a slider. So from here you can increase or decrease the size of your font on Discord. If you want to increase it, you have to click on the slider and simply drag it. So for now, I will just set this to 20px. If you want to view your font, you have to again swipe to the top. And this is how your current font size looks. If you want to decrease it more, then again click on the slider and then you can decrease it. Once you're done, again swipe up and this is your font size now. So in this way, you can change font size on Discord, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.